Do you feel trapped in someone else's mold? Have you ever felt that everything you do in life is an endless effort to fit into a mold that doesn't even feel like yours? As if you're living a movie where you aren't the protagonist, following a script written by someone else? Let me tell you something. That feeling of emptiness and lack of purpose has a deeper root than you might imagine. The real obstacle is your perception. What if I told you that your biggest obstacle isn't a lack of opportunities but the belief that everything in your life carries overwhelming weight? That every mistake is a disaster and every opinion defines who you are? Today, I want to introduce you to a concept that can completely shift your perspective: the power of acting as if nothing matters. This isn't about indifference or neglecting responsibilities. It's about adopting an attitude that can free you from the invisible chains that keep you stuck in a life that doesn't feel like your own. Imagine living in a world without the weight of expectations, without the constant fear of failure, and with the freedom to be your authentic self. A story to reflect on. Once, there was a man named Daniel. He was a dedicated professional, admired by his colleagues for his relentless work ethic and commitment. From the outside, Daniel's life seemed like the perfect picture of success. He had a high paying job, a spacious apartment, and a packed social calendar. But deep down, he felt disconnected and unfulfilled. Every evening, as he sat at his desk finishing yet another late night task, Daniel couldn't shake the feeling that his life was a relentless cycle of pleasing others. Every promotion, every compliment, every accomplishment felt hollow because none of it aligned with what he truly wanted. One evening, after an exhausting day filled with meetings and endless demands, Daniel sat in his car, staring at the city lights. For the first time, he allowed himself to wonder: what if I've been chasing things that don't matter? What if my worth isn't tied to all this effort? That single thought sparked something in him. Over the following weeks, Daniel began questioning everything he had been doing. He realized that much of his life had been about earning approval, avoiding criticism, and meeting societal expectations. Daniel made a bold decision: he would start living for himself. He set boundaries at work, said no to things that didn't resonate with him, and reconnected with passions he had long abandoned, like painting and hiking. At first, it felt terrifying. He worried about disappointing others. But with every step, he felt a newfound sense of freedom. What Daniel discovered was life changing. When you let go of what doesn't matter, you create space for what truly does. And in doing so, he found a sense of purpose and joy he had never experienced before. The power of letting go. Acting as if nothing matters can reduce stress. You stop being reactive and become an observer. Refocus your energy. You shift from worrying about trivial matters to creating what truly matters. Society teaches us that worrying and taking everything personally means we care. But what if that's the biggest trap of all? It's not about being indifferent, it's about being selective with what deserves your attention and energy. When you're constantly concerned with what others think or fear what could go wrong, you block the natural flow of energy. But when you act as if nothing matters, you tell the universe you trust and create space for things to unfold. Understanding the law of detachment. One of the most powerful universal principles is the law of detachment. This law teaches us that to attract what we desire, we must be willing to release our need for control. Acting as if nothing matters doesn't mean you lack goals or dreams. It means you don't obsess over when they'll manifest. By letting go, You free yourself from the fear of failure, anxiety over others' opinions, the burden of expectations. Free yourself from mental prisons. Imagine your life if you stopped worrying about what others think. Instead of seeking approval, you act from your truth, what you genuinely feel and desire. This liberation isn't just about doing what you want, it's about living authentically. The people you admire most aren't fearless, they've learned to act despite their fears. They move forward with confidence and detachment, knowing their worth isn't tied to the outcome of their actions. Your inner peace is in your hands. Here's a truth: others' opinions are just projections of their own fears and limitations. They have nothing to do with you. Acting as if nothing matters is a declaration to yourself and the universe that your inner peace is more valuable than anyone's judgment. A life of freedom and authenticity. Picture this: waking up in the morning without the inner voice telling you you're not enough. Instead, you feel a profound calm, knowing everything is as it should be. This is the feeling I want you to experience. It's what happens when you act as if nothing matters. Are you ready to let go? If you're ready to release the weight of expectations, leave a comment saying, "I release my expectations." By doing so, you'll start to feel freer and lighter. You'll notice opportunities manifesting and the right people entering your life almost as if by magic. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe. This is just the beginning of a journey toward a more authentic and liberated life. True power lies in your ability to trust. Type "I am powerful" in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.